Hello everyone, we will see how to use variables in Apache Airflow. So what is a variable? Variable is nothing but whose value is not constant. And one more advantage of using variables in Apache Airflow is if you want to retain some value across the executions. That means if you want a value of particular variable which was run in previous execution, you want to refer it in current execution, process it, and then again update it for future executions. So for this particular use case, you can use variables in Apache Airflow. So we will take an example. Before that, suppose you want to use a variable, you have to initially set that variable in Apache Airflow environment. And how to set that variable? Just go to admin. There is one variable tab. Go to that. Here, the key value variable you can set. So just go to create. So I have temp var variable and I have it string variable having containing 0 text. Save. So this is how we create a variable temp var 0. Variable is temp var, value is current value is 0. Now I will again go to the DAG we created var flow to access that variable. I will go to the code to see the code. So yeah, rest of the code is same, but what I want is task 1 will run first, task 2 will run after the task 1. This is how we scheduled it. Task 1 will call set1 callable, task 2 will call set2 callable, and what they are doing is they are just getting and setting the variable. So this is the syntax. Variable can be imported from models, Airflow models. So set1 uh, will first get the initial value that we set in defaults by going inside admin. So if I want to get a value of temp var, I'll write variable dot get temp var. So here the value will be 0. So temp will have 0, and then I'm printing initial value is temp will give 0. And now I am setting, that means changing the value. To change the value again, we can use set method. So variable dot set, the key is temp var and value now will be 1 instead of 0. So this is what set1 does in task 1. Set2, again we are getting the value which is not 0, it is 1 and printing it. Then again setting it to 2 and want to get the value again which is 2. So first print statement will give initial value 0, first value 1 and second value 2. Let's see whether it works in the same way that we are thinking. Tag is running. And we will see the logs. Set1 is printing, initial value is 0. Now we'll go to second step which is calling set2. It should give two print statements. Yeah, first set value is 1, second set value is 2. We'll see what will happen if we are running this DAG two times. So yeah, we ran it second time and we will just see the first operator, yeah, first task from this. Yeah. It is showing initial value as 2 because last run stored initial value as last value as 2. So this picked this 2 from last run.